Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Silem here. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how I made my wedding veil. So this is basically a tutorial on how to make a wedding veil. Okay, it's very simple, very easy. You just need a couple of materials and you're good to go. So if you want to see how I made my wedding veil, definitely keep on watching. By the way, I also made my wedding dress that I'm putting on right now. So if you want to see how I did that, the link to that video will also be in the description box down below. So yeah, without further ado guys, let's get right into the video. Oh hey, I didn't see you there. So to make this veil, I'm going to show you guys a paper illustration. What you need to do is you need to fold your net lengthwise, and then you need to fold it widthwise. Okay, now after folding it widthwise, the next thing you need to do is you need to round out one edge. Okay, so this is the edge, not the edge that is folded. The other edge is the other side that is not folded. Okay, so you want to round that out like you're cutting a flare kind of, and then you want to unfold it and then mark the distance that you want the veil to cover your face. Okay, so you know that a part of the veil covers the face and then the rest of it falls at the back. So from the point where you mark to the front, the shorter part is going to cover your face, while from that point again to the longer part is the part that's going to fall at the back. I hope that makes sense. Now you want, for this veil, you need about 3 to 5 yards of a soft white net. So you don't want to get a net that is hard. Even the soft nets actually come in different textures. There are some that are softer than others, so you want to get the softest one that you can get. You also need to get a plastic comb. I'm going to show you guys that comb later on. You want to get a plastic comb, and you also need your needle and thread. So just like I showed you with the paper, I have had folded my net lengthwise, and now I'm just folding it widthwise. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and just round out that edge that I told you about. So it doesn't have to be perfect, just make sure that it doesn't have that sharp edge anymore. So just round that out. So just trim it out, along that curve that you marked. And then once you open it up, just like I showed you with the paper, you want to determine how much of the net would cover your face. Okay, so some people want, after it covers their face, they want it to still fall and then be as low as maybe get up to their waist or something. But you just have to measure it from the center of your head where the comb sits. You want to measure from that point to the front to cover your face, and down to know how low you want it to hang in front. So for mine was 31 inches. Okay, that's what I decided to use. Yours can be longer or shorter than that. Now at that point where you marked, you want to open it up. This is the plastic comb I told you guys. You want to get a white one as well, so that it matches with your the white veil and all. So you want to place that under the net. So you want to make sure that you're sewing it from under. Now if you look at these combs, you would see that they have holes. There are holes on the top part of the comb, so you want to just follow those holes and then just use your needle and thread, and then just go ahead and just sew the comb to the net. It's actually very, very simple. This is all you need to do. Once you've sewn the comb, your veil is ready to be used. Now if you want to go ahead and embellish your veil, that's entirely up to you. I've seen brides that do not embellish their veils, but in my case, I decided to embellish my veil. Now this is my friend here. She helps me embellish the veil, because while she was doing this, I was busy sewing my bridesmaids dresses. Guys, I was so busy with a lot of things this week. It was like 2 days to the wedding, and I hadn't finished making my bridesmaids dresses. So I just had to, she really helped me. Okay, she really helped me. So these lace cutouts you see that she's using to embellish the veil for me. These lace cutouts were the same ones I used to make my wedding dress. If you haven't seen the video where I made my wedding dress, please check it out. The link will be in the description box down below. So I just cut out those same lace designs so that it has the same theme with my dress and everything looks cohesive. And this took a lot of time, guys. She had to do this all the way around the veil. and believe me, it took so long. It was a lot of work. Iene, thank you so much, my love. If you're watching this, thank you, dear. And this is how it turned out, guys. It looked lovely, it looked amazing, and yeah, these are more pictures for you guys to feed your eyes. Guys, you have to keep up. You have to go back and watch the other videos in my wedding series. If you've missed anyone, please go back and watch them, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you all. Bye.